Google Classroom is a free web service that was developed by Google. It is a paperless way for students and teachers to create, distribute, and grade class assignments. Announcements can also be posted onto Google Classroom by teachers to the class stream, which I will show you. And on the class stream, students can comment on that, and that really promotes communication between the teacher and the student. Students also have the opportunity to upload assignments onto Google Classroom, and after doing that, teachers can grade them. They can also make comments on them and edit them, and all of that is accessible by the student. So the student can see that, can see the feedback that was provided by the teacher. It's just a really great way for paperless, like I said, that virtual communication between the teacher and the student outside of the classroom. So this is the main page. When you go to Google Classroom's home page, when you type it into your search engine, this is what comes up. And you do have to have a Google account to access Google Classroom, and I do. So I'm going to show you what that main page looks like, and I'm going to show you through my university what our Google Classroom looks like. So I've logged into my Google Classroom, and this is what it looks like, and this is the course that I'm enrolled in. And here, if you were enrolled into many courses that your teacher or professor has invited you to join Google Classroom, those courses would show up here. So right now I only have one course that is available through Google Classroom, and it is this course right here. So this is what you would see, and then to click on it, you click here to enter into the classroom. So this is our Google Classroom's main page, and this is the class stream. So it's where all the comments are made from the teacher or the student. And so here it would have upcoming assignments, and right now there's no work that's due, but if there was something coming up like an assignment that was due, it would be posted here. So this is the most recent item that has been uploaded into the class stream, and here our teacher just uploaded some links and videos, important information that we could view to help us on classroom topics and assignments. And here, she posted an announcement for us. It's just a great way to keep that communication door open. Let's see, I'm going to show you around a little bit. Also, if you would like to see who is in your class, you can click here and it shows everyone listed that's a part of the Google Classroom that you're in. And like I said, this is the stream, and if you wanted to go back and you wanted to go to view a different class, you would click here and it would take you back to that main page. If you wanted to view the calendar, which is a great way to stay organized and keep up to date with assignments, you would click on this calendar. You have a to-do list that you can use, and of course this is the class that I'm enrolled in. So that's the current class that I have that is a part of my Google Classroom. So let's just see. You also, like I was saying just a while ago, where students can comment. So although my teacher posted here, I can comment on it and she can see that. And by commenting, all I would hit is add class comment, and then I would post. Let's see, I was going to show you an assignment. So here we go. Here's an assignment. So she's posted an assignment here, and I'm going to open it. Let's see. Okay, so here's an assignment that I have completed, and I submitted it through Google Classroom. Okay, so it's great because you can see your assignments that are required of you, and you can also submit your assignments. And after you submit them, you can have your teacher has the ability to give you feedback. So I submitted an assignment, and if I wanted to add something else to it, I can add it here. So if I wanted to upload a different assignment, I have the option to do so either through Google Drive a link, or I can upload it off of my computer as a file, and then I can resubmit. But this is what I've already submitted previously, and my teacher commented back because she had the ability to comment back, and I can see her comments where she gave me feedback on my assignment. So it's just really great to have that open communication where you don't see your teacher every day. You only see her a couple of days of the week maybe, or even just one day of the week, but you can still communicate through Google Classroom like you are there with her face to face. So it's just a virtual classroom that really just allows you to create and distribute, and the teachers to grade your assignments, and just to communicate so that you feel like you don't have any questions, and you're able to accomplish your tasks in the best way possible because you do have that communication door that always stays open with between the student and the professor. So that is about it for Google Classroom. It is just wonderful for uploading assignments, and teachers can grade them, make comments, and edit them. Also, it's really great for the stream to be used as very similar to just like a feed, a constant feed of communication between the teacher and the student, and not just one student, but the entire class. Really helpful. So I hope that this was a helpful little introduction on Google Classroom.